Hey everybody, welcome to my home where we are going to talk about a few products that we incorporate into our daily routine. And my wife Sadie, if you haven't met her, this is my wife Sadie. She introduced me to this, and this is part of her daily routine, our daily routine, and I wanted her to show everybody what she does and how she does it and why she does it.
Perfect, thanks, hon. Okay, I am an iced coffee drinker in the mornings, like Thomas said. This is part of my daily routine, and it has been for a long time. But when we recently came out with the salted caramel protein, I knew that it was gonna elevate what I was already doing. So grab yourself a glass and make a coffee with me. I like to use a natural local honey as a sweetener, and we actually whip this honey. You can use a blender or some sort of stand beater, just anything to aerate your honey. And I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon at the bottom of here. If you prefer it less sweet, you can use less or none at all. And then you're gonna need a little bit of hot water. This is gonna allow us to froth this honey. And then find yourself a Sisel instant packet. We're gonna froth all this together. This is so good. It just makes this delicious, like foamy coffee mixture. And this is all I used to do. But now we've got even better products to add to this, so I want to share with you guys. You could use milk, you could use water, whatever your choice is of liquid. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of milk so I have a little bit more volume to add our salted caramel protein powder. Just with this serving size, I use about a half a scoop, but you can adjust as needed. Once again, use a full scoop, use less, whatever you prefer. I also love that we have a flavored colostrum now. So this is a great way for me to get this in the mornings. It has wonderful immune benefits. I'm just gonna add a scoop of that into the coffee as well. And you're gonna go ahead and mix this up. I use my frother again. Can you smell it, Thomas?
Oh yeah,
Smell good?
It smells fantastic. That coffee smell in the morning, nothing like it.
Really, it's delicious. Now I like my iced coffee iced, so extra cold. So I gotta go in with lots of ice. And then we'll just top it off. Once again, use whatever liquid you want. I'm using a milk.
Yeah.
Top it off.
Almond milk works great, oat milk works great, water works great.
Yeah, if you have restrictions or preferences, use whatever you like. Give this a nice stir.
Oh.
It's really pretty to look at too, so pop this lid on and we're gonna give it a taste test. It's pretty good.
Just right?
Yep. Just right.
Just right.
Grab a cup, let's make some coffee.